Hello and welcome into the second section. In this section we will upload our PHP landing page in 000webhost. So register your account through login with Google. I already did that, so I will sign in. You need to log in with Google. Okay, so after login with Google, your screen will look like this. So then click on let's create some magic button. Click on that. What would you like to? We will choose other option. Yes, select the other option. Name your project, your website name. Write your website name, like my website name is myaq courses. Password is already generated. Then click on submit button. So it will create our project. Okay, so our website has been created. Then choose your weapon of mass creation. Select upload your site. So it will redirect to the file manager where we upload our website. In the public underscore HTML folder, we will upload our PHP website. Okay, so click on that. First of all, click on htaccess file and choose the edit option. And instead of 1, we write 0 because we don't want any warning and stuff like that. So click on OK. How to upload the PHP landing page live on server. So this is our landing page, which is PHP version now. You need to download this template from your resource folder. So download that. PHP mailer. So download the PHP mailer also. So when you download this, extract this folder PHP mailer and paste in green group project. So now our green group project have PHP mailer folder also. Okay, so now open it in your code editor. Open the index.php file. Scroll down. So this is the landing page, which is PHP version now. In the previous section we submit our form through Netlify. Now we submit our form through PHP. So we need to write action is equal to index.php. Action means when we submit the form, this action will take care, like in index.php, it will handle the request how we submit the form. Okay, so scroll down and in the submit button, give it a name. Name is equal to contact underscore btn. So we give a name, contact underscore btn. Now we need to add PHP script. I give you the PHP script code also. Okay, so you need to copy the code. Copy this code I give you in resource folder. Copy this and paste it here. Okay, so paste it. So this PHP mailer required, so that we download it and paste it. And this is the redirect function that will redirect our page when we submit our form. So it will redirect to the thanks.html page. Okay, don't worry about that, it's simply a function that will redirect to the thank you page. Contact underscore btn, this is the name of our submit button, right? Let's confirm this. You need to write the same name. Okay, if you want to submit your own like contact underscore btn. If we write here contact underscore btn, then you need to write the same name contact underscore btn. Okay, then if contact function will run when submit function is pressed. So this is the contact function. We will extract the input from the input field and store in a variable. Let's confirm this. This is the name is equal to name in name input field, name is equal to email in email input field, and name is equal to phone in phone input field, and name is equal to message in message input field. So we extract the data and store in variable. So PHP mailer function declare, and you need to write your own email here. Okay, I write my courses at gmail.com. You need to write your own email so that you receive the form on this email address. Okay, I write my, you need to write your own. Okay, so this is the subject, received message from client, and this message will be sent in our mail. I styled this message, okay, and so that we receive a clean and nice email. Okay, just do CSS and stuff like that, so it will receive a nice email. Post message, post phone, post email, post name, and these are the name of the input field, right? Let's confirm this. Name is equal to name in name input field, name is equal to email in email input field, name is equal to phone, and name is equal to message in message input field. Okay, these name must be same. Okay, so yeah, this is name is equal to name, yes, email is email, phone message, post message. Yeah, that's it. So when our mail send, it will redirect to the thanks.html page. Okay, otherwise it will redirect to the index.php. so let's save this file. When we submit our form, it will redirect to thanks.html page. So Control S and close this editor. Now we zip this folder so that we can upload it live on server. So this is our zip folder. Delete the PHP mailer, and so this folder we will upload on our hosting account. So open your hosting account and then click on manage website. It will redirect to the file. Click on tools, then click on file manager. Okay, then you need to click on upload files option. It will redirect to the file manager. So we will upload our project in public underscore HTML. Okay, and make sure that if you are using 000 web hosting account and you don't want to receive any warning, then you need to write 0. Okay, not 1, write 0 to avoid warnings. Okay, so we will upload our project here. So click on the upload file. Yeah, click on upload file and then click on select files. Select the zip folder project we want to upload, then open, then click on upload button. It will upload our project. These are the steps in all hosting account. You need to follow this step. Okay, you need to upload your project in file manager public underscore HTML folder and upload your project so that it will become live on server. We will use free web hosting, so that's why everyone can understand and implement this practically. Okay, so it will upload our project 95%. Yeah, so our project is uploaded. Now we need to extract this zip folder. Right click and click on extract. Define write dot, only dot as your current location. If you want to extract the compressed file in current folder, yes, write dot and then click on extract button. Okay, it will extract your folder. So our folder is extracted. So delete the previous zip folder, delete that. Now open the project. Now we need to move all this file in our public underscore HTML. Okay, move this, change the path, select public underscore HTML, select this and move. So remove the previous folder, cream group project, because our file is now on public underscore HTML folder. Okay, yeah, our project is uploaded live on server. Let's check it out. Right click on that and click view. So our project is now live on server, also connection is secure. So this is our PHP landing page and it is live on server now. When we fill this form, we receive an email notification. So let's fill this form. Type email Jonathan, phone number, now when we submit our form, we receive an email notification also. We will receive, okay, we will receive all the data through email. Now we will submit through PHP mailer. Now submit our form. It will redirect to the thank you page. Thanks, your form is submitted successfully. We will contact you soon. We receive an email notification. Here we go. Received message from client Jonathan. Click on that and receive a nice and clean email. How cool is that? It's very simple. When you submit the form and you didn't receive any email notification, is because you didn't provide any SMTP details. SMTP is simple mail transfer protocol to send mails. If you are using the paid hosting account, then this issue will happen. So you need to write the SMTP details. That's why I also give you the script with SMTP details. You need to write your host, your port number, your username and password, and write the address. The SMTP details will be available in your email section of your hosting account. When you purchase an account, you will provide these details: host, port number, username and password. So you need to write your username, host, password. So this issue will be solved when you provide the SMTP details. Same code, but only the addition of SMTP details. You must need to write these details, otherwise your form is not submitted. That's why I provide you the script with SMTP detail also, so in future if you use and you face this issue, so you can solve it. Okay, I hope this video is beneficial for you and you enjoyed it. Hit the like button, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. So that's it for this video. See you next time.